guys, this is Cousins React. This me, Sequoia, and Bree, and now we're gonna be reacting. Wait. Okay, we're gonna react to say the name of the video, and then I'm gonna say the other thing.
Today we're gonna react to Taeyeon, I Got Love
music video, and plus I'm gonna unbox this, to show you what album I got. That's you know who it is really. But okay, let's get to it.
So the mirrors, what are their reflection of?
Bree, you're damn.
So the video is looking glamorous. I see diamonds and glitter on there. It's like an odd beat.
Lots of people say she looks like a vampire, a beautiful vampire. Do you think so? I think so. Yeah.
Like an enchantress. Not a vampire, but like an enchantress. Like if you look at her eyes, then you can So white sock and cup.
I thought that was sand.
Oh, well maybe I'm just blind. Diamonds and sand. Or is like a factory going on? What does the red light represent?
This is my first time watching this video. I know it came out yesterday.
But how would you interpret this video? You just saw diamonds, sand, the red light, the white light.
Yeah, I watched the teaser 1 and 2 of this video.
I'm not sure how to describe this video.
But it's awesome though.
I think if I saw the lyrics of the song, then I would see the video.
That's why I should have put the captions right. Okay. Tay, I Got Love. Okay, Tay. She did her thing on that though. I dig it,
I think with this song, it'll take me time to
get
used to it.
Yeah.
But I think I actually may like this song more than the other song.
Why?
I don't know. It's like this one has like an old school but a new school sound to it.
Yeah. And I like this, new look. You know what Tay is doing,
I have to figure out what this video is about.
Yeah.
So I'm going to look up the
lyrics of it. Yeah.
So I can see what's going on.
I forgot to put the captions on. My bad. But anyway, Brianna going to help me with this package that I got today.
Yay!
So let's see. Let's rip this.
Why are my wrists so skinny? Like they just break.
I got a damn receipt, of course. So let's do it.
A damn receipt.
Okay, a poster.
How big is this poster?
Okay, Brianna gonna open up the poster.
It's probably taller than this now. That's what I have. I got it upside down. Okay.
I know I got it so late and it came out last year, but well, you see it?
Yeah, it's kind of hard, but yeah.
That's awesome. I like that. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah. And
But
here's
her hair is blowing in the wind.
What you trying to say?
It's just like, it's like her hair is by itself. It's just living. That's all.
Oh, yeah. And here's the postcard I got.
Postcard.
And this the back. Okay. And here's the album, people. Why? Okay? So. Oop. Oop. Let me get a knife or something like this. Oh, damn. I'll pull something else.
It's so big.
Yes. I'm not going to hang that up.
I think I would laminate it first.
Yeah.
You know, that's something to do with all my.
So now we're going to look at the pictures and, you know, see if we like them. Of course, we're going to like them, Miss Tay. Of course.
How
So
many
let's.
pages?
It's 64.
Oh,
Something like that. Okay. Here's the thing. If y'all already seen it, y'all know. It's nothing new. And this the tracks. And the ones that I like is Why, Starlight, let's see, and Night, Hands on Me. Yeah, those my favorites. So let's get to it. Doo, doo, doo. That's the first. The hell? Okay.
Yeah.
That's the first picture. What do you think, Bree? We're just gonna look through it. I'm gonna show you after Bree see it. I think all y'all already seen the unboxing of these anyway. If y'all haven't, here's ours. Right there.
She was having fun, just laughing.
This is good so far, people. Do, do, do. Oh yeah, I think this the lyrics, yeah. Do, do, do. You see? The outfit, it seems like more of your style. I think I wouldn't rock that, but
I think Michael would rock that.
it looks
If
cute
they
on
had
her
like
though.
two contrasting colors.
Yeah. What you think of this?
I like the shades and the bubble gum.
Let's get to it.
I really like how the water looks like here. I'm sorry, but sometimes the water just,
Yeah.
it looks amazing.
Yeah, it does. Starlight. That's one of my favorite songs from this album. Oh, I got me an extra postcard. So, here it goes. And then, of course, this in the back. Advertisements, you know. What you get with it. What you think? That's something you was rocking, right?
Did I rock something like that?
On your card, right?
It's like a lightweight jacket, like with this a little breeze. So she has blue in the middle of her blonde hair.
I think Michael would look good with this outfit. It's something that she would rock. You know. Fashion. I haven't really listened to that song, so yeah. But they do their things with these albums, though. I see why it's so expensive. You know? You get a picture
I
book.
didn't know she had a tattoo on her arm.
Yeah, I didn't know either, but on Instagram I seen it. So it's like, yeah, some of them have tattoos now. I like the shirts though. I rock the shirts. I rock these for sure. Sounds amazing. It look like, I mean, it seems like a shirt that you would rock though.
Think so. With the burger. Have I worn shirts with burgers on before?
But you're right. That's some of your style though. That's something. something.
I'll probably take pictures in the in the grocery store.
For real?
Yes, girl. But I won't be like the little ratchet photos that you see in Walmart. Nothing like that. You know.
Yeah. You see Bree doing shit like this. Yeah.
You too.
Yeah, it depends. You know?
It's too hot outside. I can't.
Yeah. But these outfits though look amazing.
Girl, I can't walk in no heels in the desert.
I'm just not a girly girl like that, so.
I'm not a girly girl neither. I'll wear some boots with the outfit, but maybe 3-inch pumps, but no solid.
You rock these boots?
Yeah, but on them heels, I'll break my ankles in the sand.
In the sand. This girl said in the sand.
I mean, like when you're in the desert, it's like, you know, the environment. You know, I'm gonna just say in the sand. I like this, but I don't know. It's like I'm built different.
You built different. But you slim too.
Yeah, but she's built petite. I'm built longer, if that makes any sense in a way.
I think she's 5'2" or 5'3". So.
She's probably your height then.
Yeah, I think. Because I'm not that tall, people.
But we look about the same height.
Yeah, we do.
I think I have a long back or something.
You got a long back?
Somewhere in my body, I'm built longer, so I look like I'm her height, but I'm not.
Yeah. What you think?
I feel like Michael would do this, just pose there.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty. Like Michael go to her, she'd be like, I'm just gonna pose.
Or something like this.
He'd be like, just take the picture.
Mm-hmm. But she looking so cool though.
She like she's enjoying the moment.
Yeah. I know she had fun doing this, the photo shoot and stuff. I mean, the outfits look beautiful. It's just that I wouldn't rock them, you know?
I think you would rock them, but like with sneakers on.
Yeah, some of them. Amazing. And here's the last one. Okay, so that's the whole thing. Yeah, that's the whole thing. Taeyeon, why? I know, you know, it's late, you know, because this came out in June of last year, but hell, I got it, okay? So if you like this video and this unboxing, thumbs up and subscribe, and we will have more.
Like this with my hand.
And I will have another unboxing next weekend. And probably Bree will show y'all something if she buys something. But anyway, guys, God bless.